Hello, in front of me I've got Lenovo IdeaPad Duet Chromebook. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. In the beginning, let's go to Settings, enter Security and Privacy, and go to Lock Screen and Sign In. Now you have to enter your email password, and now you can select between password and PIN. Let's select password back, and now you'll be able to unlock your tab using your email password. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.